In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CRM and connections list in a new project. We're going to build a simple, practical contact management system that helps you keep people and business relationships organized in one place. This setup is especially useful if you want an easy way to track contact details, company information, communication status, and the last time you reached out, all without overcomplicating your workflow. To begin, create a brand new project and title it CRM and Connections List. Giving the project a clear name like this makes it easy to identify later, especially if you manage multiple projects at once. This project will serve as your central hub for storing and reviewing all of your professional or personal connections. Once the project has been created, switch over to List View. List View works well for this kind of setup because it allows you to see multiple contacts in a clean, structured format. Instead of looking at tasks one by one, you'll be able to scan your entire contact list quickly and keep important information visible at a glance. Next, create the custom fields you'll use to track each contact's details. Add fields for email, company, phone, status, and last contacted. These fields turn a basic task list into a functional CRM. The email field gives you a place to store the primary contact email. Company helps you identify where the person works or what business they're associated with. Phone is useful for direct communication, and status can help you label where the relationship stands, such as active, follow-up needed, or not yet contacted. Last contacted is especially valuable because it helps you stay consistent with outreach and avoid losing touch over time. After the custom fields are ready, create a separate task for each person or business contact you want to track. Think of each task as an individual contact record. Using one task per contact keeps everything neatly separated and makes it easier to update information later. Now open each contact's task card and fill in the custom fields with the relevant information. Add the email address, company name, phone number, current status, and the date they were last contacted. As you do this, try to keep your entries consistent. For example, use the same format for phone numbers and dates throughout the project so your list stays clean and easy to review. Once everything is filled out, you'll have a straightforward CRM and connections list that is easy to maintain, easy to scan, and ready to support your follow-ups and relationship management.